Hello, you. I'm glad you're with me today. I'm Marlo with Marlo's Treasures. I'm showing you what we started with before I broke into this bag of jewelry. This video is part 3 of a 4-part series where we treasure hunt through this 8.5-pound Goodwill Jewelry Grab Bag. I'll put links to the first 2 videos in the comment section below so you can check those out and see all the goodies that we've found so far. Before I forget, I want to thank all of my current subscribers, and if you haven't subscribed yet, just click the subscribe button below the video, and then that way you'll never miss our treasure hunts together. Okay, here we go. So that teacher bracelet and these earrings we actually showed in the previous video, and I think we even showed this little cross necklace, I think. Yeah, and it's missing a little stone right there, which is a shame, but maybe we'll find it in the bag somewhere. It's still very pretty. Kind of looks older. It could be vintage. I'm not sure if the chain is or not, but could be. I kind of fast forward through some of this stuff because so you don't have to sit there and look at that. And let's see. Oh yeah, this beautiful a butterfly pair of earrings. You see the glass? Those little flowers are underneath. That's not painted on. I think that's beautiful. And this, my goodness, that's quite heavy. It's a glass pendant. I looked, I could see all the bubbles inside. And I think most of those beads along the chain are stones. That reminds me of kind of like Game of Thrones people would wear that. That's really neat. And this beautiful little pair of earrings. Look at the iridescence. I like that blue glow. Okay, so this, very pretty. You can see the medallions have a little inset enamel. It's very long, and then you have the turquoise colored beads. Pretty. A lot of long necklaces in this bag. That's darling. That's a little locket. Let's open it. Oh, I have found little pictures and things like that, and it just breaks my heart that somebody doesn't have their little picture anymore of a family member. I've even seen them with pets inside. That's adorable. Now, I thought maybe we had a match for that. Maybe not. And do we have a match for that? No. Okay. I have all the matching sets, the single earrings and things on the right-hand side from the previous videos. Nice little necklace, infinity. Oh, that's cute. It's like a pearl, only it's in the shape of a heart. Darling. Little stud earrings. Do we have the match for that one? I'm not sure. I can't remember. Yes. Pretty. Very elegant. Like the silver with the green. And, oh, that's sparkly. Look at all those. Nice. Nice little earring. That's cute. I think we have the match for that. Oh yeah, so the back says JCM China. And that's got to be a Disney character or Disney something. I don't know what it is. If you know what it is, I'm sure it's probably really recognizable. I just can't think of what it is. Those are pretty. Oh, little butterfly. I think we have the match for that one. Yes. That green just stands out. Beautiful. Got the silver. This is like a little charm. Very detailed. You see all the details in it? Pretty. Okay, so this one here, there's a little bit of a story. So it's a Chico's, but I'm sitting there looking at it and I'm thinking that pendant does not go on that. It just, the design doesn't match up. It's just wrong. So you have this silver wrapped stone. I don't know what stone that is. It could be rose quartz, but I don't think so. And then you've got your Chico's. See how it's got the bail for a pendant, but it does not have the pendant, unfortunately. Aw, sad. Yeah, that just did not go together. Cute little hoop earring. I typically wear gold. And then we have, look how big that pendant is. Star, baby. Cute as can be. But if we look at the other end, that is broken. Let's see how quickly the fix could be. Oh yeah, that jump hook right there, that jump ring. Let's just do it. Let's just do it. Oh, and I want to apologize. My fingers. When I unboxed this, I did it all at one time. And then I came back and I was going through it, and that's why I broke it up into 4 different pieces. But my fingers are dirty from all the jewelry. And just hook that in. Just opened it quickly, closing back up. Make sure it's tight and not really loose, or he'll just come right back out of there. And let's see. Ta-da! Fixed. Done and done. If it's easy like that, I try to just do it right then. If it's a gluing process and everything, then I do that later, because I can't do that while I'm trying to unbox. That's pretty. That looks Christmassy, doesn't it? With all the greens and the reds and the sparkles. Obviously, very bright and pretty. But then the other end here, yeah, it doesn't have anything. Doesn't have its hook. It doesn't have any jump rings. It doesn't have anything. So that's a longer repair. We'll do that later. And then this, I had no idea what that was when I picked it up. I thought it was like folded over on itself. It's not. I think that's just a pendant. Nice silver pendant with the dangles. And the rhinestones. Cute. And we have a stretch. Is that a stretch? Can't tell. Mary Kay. Nice. No, it's not. So it had a hook on it. So lobster hook. Okay. Oh, don't you just love the hematite? It's heavy, but it's just beautiful and shiny. There's another one of those charms. Okay, what's happening? There's a Givenchy. A Givenchy. It looks like it should be on one of the Bridgerton women. And was that on HBO or Netflix? If you haven't watched that, that's fun. Pretty. Ooh, get all dressed up. Dressy earrings. Pretty. And here we go. Okay, so this looks like this is where all these charms that I'm finding and those little rings everywhere that I'm finding are. We found a bunch of them in the previous videos. So it's got a big cabochon. So here it looks like we can just slip this on. Get in there. Okay. Yeah. So to me, it looks like the center, then 4 rings, it's the gold rings, and then 2 of the green balls, 2 of the star or cross type. Let's put a few more of these on. I'll speed it up for us. All right. And then another one with the ball on it. And you got to push it down past that. And then we get it. Okay, I'm gonna have to fix that. That's a red ball on the right and a orange ball on the left. But I can see down on the table we have other stuff. Okay, so we're getting there. I'm so glad you stayed till the end. Again, this is a part 3 of a 4-part series going through this huge mystery jewelry grab bag. As I mentioned earlier, I post jewelry unboxing videos once or twice a week, so please hit the subscribe button so you never miss one of these treasure hunts. And again, a truly heartfelt thank you to all of my current subscribers. As always, please like, comment, and share. Hope you come back soon. Enjoy your day. Bye-bye, you.